everyone, welcome back to Bhabna's Beauty World. Today's look is inspired from Kim Kardashian. So without further ado, let's start the video. So here again, welcome back to my bare skin. Priming is the first thing. So for the priming and prepping my skin, I'm using Kiss Beauty setting spray. We all know Kim has a very chiseled natural face, so to have that kind of vibe, I'm using cream contour under the foundation. Actually, I forgot to moisturize my lip and prepping my lip before makeup. So, interrupting in between contouring and foundation, I took a time and used that lip mask. It's a very good moisturizing lip mask and applied it on my lips. We used cream contour under the foundation. We need a foundation which will give sheer coverage. I used this BB cream. You can see it is exact match to my skin. Actually, it's lighter on the camera, but it exact matches with my skin. So I used this, and you can see it gives a very sheer coverage. On the right side of the camera I used the foundation, and on the left side I didn't. You can see it gives a very sheer coverage and actually melts with the skin and gives a very good natural finish, just like Kim. I set my face with loose powders with a flat top kabuki fluffy brush, just tapping on my face. I used in tapping method because if I tap it, it will not make a disturbance on or moving the foundations under beneath cream contours and just make them in place. The whole idea was to make the base look like skin, just like Kim, and it is it. Kim Kardashian always use bronzers, so I'm using a bronzer that can match with my skin tone with a fluffy brush. See, one side of my face is bronzed and another isn't. How different it is. And now I bronzed my both side of my face. Now to add more of that bronzy vibe and uplifted shape face effect, I used a bronzy blush. On one side you can see on the upper portion of my cheeks, and it gives a very good bronzy uplifting effect. And I saw that the bronzer was too much, so I tapped my foundation brush on top of it to make it more blendable and skin-like. I used this fluffy brush with a matte brown shade to contour my nose, and also used that same shade on my eyelid to contour my eyelids, and on all over my eyelid I used with my finger this shimmery bronzy brown shade. As we see, Kim Kardashian's eye look is always contoured and look more natural, so I tried to make that kind of effect. I used a pulley to brush out my eyebrows just to make them look more natural, and used that mascara to make my lashes more lashy effect, more voluminous effect, just like her. You can see the difference between one side with mascara and another side without, and you can see how the mascara gives a defined eye look. Now for the lips, she always uses nude lips, so I have no nude lip liner, so I used that liquid lipstick on a brush to make my lip liner, and inside I used La Femme 304 shade super matte lipstick. It's a very good cream matte and nude lipstick. So it was all about today's video, and remember guys, this is an inspired look from Kim Kardashian, but it's not a copy or exact matching with her look. It's just inspiration taking from her looks. So with that said, with taking that in mind, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon beside, and give a thumbs up to this video. All my socials and other videos on YouTube are listed down in the description box. Don't forget to check that out. Ta-ta!